All right, first graders, for today, Tuesday, April 28th, we are going to read our phonics poem and then complete the back side of the poem. Make sure that you are practicing your Unit 30 spelling words and spelling sentences. Remember, we are learning about the soft C and soft G. The soft C makes the S sound, S, and the soft G makes more of a J sound, J. Practice those sorts and those words. So our poem today is called At the Gym. 10 city mice sat in the gym, chomping celery and watching the crowd. Golly gee whiz, a gentleman cried, your celery is certainly loud. At the gym. 10 city mice sat in the gym, chomping celery and watching the crowd. Golly gee whiz, a gentleman cried, your celery is certainly loud. So after you read that poem a couple of times, you are going to be looking for any words that have the soft C or soft G sound. And you're going to highlight that word, and then I want you to circle the C or G that you're hearing the soft sound in. So at the gym, we've talked about how GEM and GYM are the soft G because it sounds like a J, gym. So that G is what we're hearing as a soft G. 10 city, so that C sounds like an S, city. Okay. I want you to complete the rest of the poem. I'm not going to do any more since the poem is pretty short, but parents, I will put the answer key on Class Dojo. And if you flip it over, you are going to see BLM 4. And it is called beginning or end. So students are going to circle the first letter with the picture if you hear a soft G or a soft C at the beginning of that word. You're going to circle the second one or the last one if you hear it at the end of the word. So for example, this would be giraffe. Giraffe. So it starts with a G, but I hear that J at the beginning. Giraffe. But if we look at this picture, this is a cage. And so I hear that soft G at the end of that word. Cage. Giraffe. So I circled the first one here because it's at the beginning of the word. Last here because it's at the end of the word. An added challenge for your student or your child would be to write those words somewhere, and they can even underline or circle that sound that they're hearing, the soft C or soft G. Again, the answer key will be on Class Dojo, so finish this one, circle, mice, ice cream, orange, bridge, gym, and fence. Let me know if you need any help.